This is how to create a QR code for your book web address or your website. This consists of black and white squares which stores a URL for reading by a camera on a smartphone or tablet. By scanning this code, the user will be taken directly to the website. Keep watching.
The Evelyn Winters Adventure.
Open Chrome, then find your book listing. On the address bar, select the share icon. Choose Create QR Code. This will then be generated. You will notice a dinosaur in the middle. This is the Chrome branding. You can remove this by using Paint.net or other software. It won't affect your code. Select Download. Or, to generate one without a dinosaur, open Microsoft Edge. Go to the website of your choice. I'm now doing my website. For this, you seem to have to click in the address bar again to generate the icons required. Click on the QR icon here and then download. So this is the Edge version and this is Chrome's version. You can use them inside your book and on your book cover. Scan using your camera and the link will appear taking you straight to the page. It's a piece of cake. If this has helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and just click on that notification bell for more videos like this.